Hey, my name is ShuangQuan, and I'm responsible for the hardware product management at GrabMaps. When we start building our own map-making system, one of the critical gaps is how to collect ground truth in a way that makes sense for Southeast Asia. In this session, I will introduce the Grab in-house built map-making hardware, which is a unique product that we have built specifically for the map-making. This customized hardware can save both the device and operational cost, but improve the quality and efficiency. Let's go into deep. Firstly, let's see what is different in Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia, as a developing region, is famous for having terrible traffic. Collection is slow. How do you counteract slowness in collection? By deploying more volume. However, the existing collection vehicle is too expensive to scale up in Southeast Asia. Also, if you have been to the Southeast Asia, you will be amazed at the road here. Many roads in Southeast Asia is very narrow and can only pass with motorcycle instead of car. So it is less feasible to use car for mapping. Instead, we mainly rely on the motorcycle and scooters. In some areas or cities, it has high density populations and many POS. Also, this area is in fast development. Many roads and POI are changed more frequently compared with the developed countries' cities. For all these reasons, we need some special hardware for our map making. Basically, there are two different approaches for the mapping. Most hardware rigs that are used are expensive and super complicated mapping car by the professional map expert to collect images. It has very high quality on the images and sensor data, but it also has some shortcomings. The first one is the high cost. To meet our needs, we need to deploy in high volume, which would have been a huge cost. Second one is that it can only be used by the four-wheel vehicles, which didn't suit our geography and road network. The third one is the collection frequency is low. And this would have been a problem because of the crazy traffic in Southeast Asia. We need to leverage the drivers who are already in the area where we need to collect the data. Our solution is different to the traditional map making. We want to utilize the gig mapper in Southeast Asia, driver who are already in the market where we need the collection. What we need was a lightweight solution that can be easily operated by drivers. It also had to have quite good quality for the image and the sensor data. It can be easily used by both the car and the motorcycles. Actually, in the last years, Grab has tried different cameras in the market. For example, the mobile phone, we call it BYOD internally, bring your own device. This is easy to scale up for drivers. However, the image quality is not good in many cases, especially in Southeast Asia. Many drivers only use the low-end phones. The GPS accuracy is also not good enough for mapping. Normally, it is used to mount on the windshield for the car, so it is also quite difficult to operate for the motorcycle driving. We also tried the dash cam. One of the biggest problems is the image quality. Most of the dash cam only use the Full HD or 2 megapixels. Also, the GPS accuracy is not good, and it can only be used by the car only. We also tried the action cameras for several years. The data uploading, the GPS accuracy, the battery life are also the pain point for us. For the high-end professional cameras, obviously it is too expensive for us to scale up in this region, which is almost around $20,000 per unit. Also, it is too heavy and big and complicated to be used by our drivers. In this situation, Grab decided to develop our own cameras for mapping. Since 2020, Grab Geo IoT team started to in-house develop the map-making camera. This is ColorCam. It is the first map-making camera with the AI capability in the world. It is born from the mapping, and all the hardware components and software features are customized for the mapping. Let's see the details. Here I list some of the main features for the ColorCam. You can see that it's totally designed for the mapping from the beginning. It has the 150-degree wide FOV, and then it can cover more. It can cover more space and can cover more POS. Also, it is equipped the high-quality image sensor, which can deliver the super good image quality, which include the rich details and can extract more map attributes and POS. It can support two TOPS Edge AI. We have developed the Edge machine learning models to improve efficiency, reduce the cost, and can also protect the privacy. It is also has the AI camera and can support the 4G and Wi-Fi connection. Then the image can be immediately uploaded to the cloud after collection. The GPS quality is also customized. We use a dual-band GPS module and the ceramic antenna. It can get more accurate positioning compared with the normal cameras. It is also very small. It is also low cost and easy to use. All these are also very critical to make it scalable in Southeast Asia. In summary, this camera is designed and born for the mapping. Okay, ColorCam is one connected smart camera, and it is not a standalone product. It is fully integrated into the Grab mapmaking workflow. We have the Jarvis collection management tool, and then we know where we need the images and data. The driver will receive the collection task by the ColorView app, and the ColorView app is connected with the ColorCam by the Bluetooth. All the parameters and status of the ColorCam can be managed by the IoT platform. After the image collection, the uploading can be either triggered by the ColorView app manually by the driver or by the IoT platform automatically. All the images will be uploaded and go into our automatic image processing pipeline. Finally, all the images will be sent to the ColorView platform. In the last 2 years, this is the imagery collection solution which we work with our driver partners. And it also provides one seamless and high efficiency solution. Yeah, and another one of the unique feature of the ColorCam is the power of Edge AI capability. Grab has developed various Edge machine learning algorithms to support our mapping. All these machine learning models are configurable on the IoT platform for all the parameters. And all these machine learning models can also be turned on or turned off in real time per city, per device. Yeah, it is very flexible. For example, we can detect the scene and know it is an indoor or outdoor. For indoor, ColorCam will stop recording to protect the privacy. Also, ColorCam can detect how the image quality in real time, like overexposure, like underexposure, like the image blur. If the low quality image is detected, ColorCam will immediately detect the new images at the millisecond level. Also, ColorCam know that image is informative or not. Yeah, means that this image is useful or not useful. Then we can decide if we upload this image or not. And for the personal identifiable information in the images, like the face or the car license plate, we can make the blur to remove the sensitive information. Yeah, privacy is critical for us. Yeah, with all this smart capturing on edge, we significantly to reduce the cost of uploading and reduce the image recollection. Yeah, and decrease the unqualified images. Yeah, GPS quality is another key consideration which we care about. To achieve the best positioning accuracy, ColorCam uses dual band GPS module. It can help to improve the GPS quality. Also, we select the fine-tuned ceramic antenna. During our benchmark in Singapore and Jakarta city, the ColorCam can even achieve better location accuracy than some very expensive and professional-grade 360 cameras. Yeah, we have one major product improvement for the ColorCam. It is the ColorCam 360. Yeah, this is a very innovative one. We group the 4 cameras together and can sync up the 4 cameras at the millisecond level. We expand the FOV from the single camera. It is 150 degree to 360 degree. It can capture more POI from the different angles. The images will be stitched together as panorama images. The POI extraction rate can reach the same level as the professional cameras. Compared with the single camera, the POI extraction rate can increase 30 pp. Yeah, this is one stitched image from the ColorCam 360. We can see that the image quality is amazing, very good. And it has the 360 coverage, a lot of the details and informative for our map making. Yeah, in the last 2 years, we have already deployed around 2,000 pieces ColorCam in 8 countries till now. And we have collected more than 100 million street view images for ColorMaps. Besides the ColorCam, we also have another hardware product. It is the Color Dongle. This is one in-house built OBD device. It can support the 4G connection and even the better positioning, and even can support RTK to have the very accurate positioning to the sub-meter level, and also support the Bluetooth connections. Color Dongle is used for the Grab fleet management in the region. And it can also help us to collect the accurate data for the GrabMaps probe detections. It has the 4 times better GPS accuracy compared to the normal phone, and can reduce 70% of the GPS loss for map making and navigations. Yeah. We have come to the end of the webinar. I hope you found the content useful and have a good understanding of the map making hardware. Please do check out the other 3 webinars in this map making series on collection, cutter places, and cutter maps if you'd like to learn more. If you have any questions about our solution or would like to get in touch, feel free to drop us a note at grabmaps.contact@grab.com. I'm ShuangQuan, and thank you for listening.